What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're actually going to be doing another review, and it's actually going to be about my intake. So my intake was actually one of my first mods, so I didn't really talk about it. I just kind of showcased it. So today we're going to be talking about that. We're going to have to give this thing a wash. I don't know if I could get it, but it's really dirty. I have, yeah, there you go, you can see it. I have black spots all over. The back is probably the worst. I mean, it doesn't really look white anymore. So we gotta take care of that. I don't think it's gotten a wash in like 2 months. And my rims are pretty bad too. So we're gonna have to take care of that. And if you guys have been enjoying the videos, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps out the channel and the videos. So make sure you do that real quick. It only takes 2 seconds. Let's go. And I just remembered this car hasn't been started all day, so quick cold start. Alright, so in case you guys didn't already know, the intake that I do have is an Injen cold air intake. And honestly, it's been super good for me. I haven't had any problems with it or anything. And for the price, it's been great. If I remember correctly, I believe the price was like $200, I believe, something like that. So it's not super expensive or, you know, budget breaking. And honestly, it sounds amazing. So like I said, it was one of the first mods that I did, so I obviously didn't have an exhaust back then. This was probably like the only noise I was able to experience from the car, and honestly it was one of the best ones because the turbo just sounds super good with the upgraded intake. As far as the install is not too hard. I would say like the only thing was right here, they gave you obviously a rubber gasket to put around for it to keep the heat off, and this little plastic right here was with the rubber, but the rubber actually melted off. So one day I just kind of noticed that it was peeling off, and we just took it off. This still stayed on, so I just left it, but the rubber did come off, so just expect that. But besides that, I haven't had any problems with that. I'm pretty sure it still seals pretty good. The other thing is, normally when you go to install this, from what I saw, you normally would have to take this off, but I literally told my boys, yo, let's try to install this without having to remove this. And as you can see, it is possible. We kind of jammed it in there, but it is possible. It's still in there, and no moving, no nothing, so it's pretty good. I'm gonna give you guys some revs so you guys can hear it. I'm gonna do it with the hood closed and then the hood open, and I'm gonna do close-ups and a little bit further so you guys can hear how loud the turbo actually sounds. So I'm gonna be putting you guys on the tripod real quick, so 1 second. All right, so I'm gonna do one real quick with the hood closed so you guys can hear it like that. So here we go. So I don't know how well you guys were able to hear it, but that wasn't in sports or anything like that. I don't really think it matters if it is or not, so I don't have it on sports. Maybe I'll do one just in case, but now let's do one with the hood open. So hopefully you guys were able to hear a little better with the hood open, but now I'm gonna put it a little closer in the engine so you guys can hear a close-up. So I'm 100% sure that one must have been really loud. I'm gonna do one real quick in sports mode, just in case there is a difference. I don't really think there will be, but just in case. I'm gonna do a close-up and then one further back. So as you guys heard, it sounds amazing. I love the sound. It was probably my favorite mod when I first did it. It just gave me that nice turbo sound that I loved, and it's super loud. I mean, I'll have like the windows up and everything, I could still hear it perfect pitch. So I definitely recommend it. And like I said, for the price, it's totally worth it. And I mean, if you like turbo noises, like, come on, like, who doesn't like that? But I also brought the GoPros, so I'm gonna probably mount one in the hood and maybe wear one in my head with the windows up or down, either one, just so you guys could actually get like a feel for it when you're actually just, you know, driving in general. Basically, let's do some POV. So the front GoPro died. Swap GoPros because the front one died. I want to get you guys some outside content too. Alright guys, we've come to the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and found it somewhat helpful. If you guys did, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps out the videos in the channel. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions, and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any content. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.